Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Be Optimistic. So students, today we'll study a poem My Shadow from class 5th NCERT textbook. If you like the video, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe it to get the latest updates. So let us begin with a poem My Shadow. Here poet Robert Louis Stevenson describes his shadow. Being a child, he is telling the things related to the shadow. We'll really enjoy these things, how he mentions the things over here. Do you know, whenever there is light, someone follows you. Have you ever wondered who it is? When there is light, someone follows you. It comes with you, it goes with you everywhere, wherever you will go, wherever you will come. It will be it following you. Have you ever wondered who it is? Tell me. Yes, exactly. It's a shadow. Here, the poem is like this. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Here, the child has a little shadow that goes in and out with him, or her, as a poet is Robert Louis Stevenson, the boy. I'll use pronoun he or here. Sometimes I will use uh, she also because a girl is also given, and it is a common. It is for everyone, for a girl or a boy, and also a boy. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. That means the shadow goes with the child everywhere. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. What can be the use of the shadow? There is no use. It's useless. Only you can see it. That's the use. And yes, if you want to scare someone, yeah, but it's not a use. It's misuse, right? He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. The shadow will obviously look like a boy or a girl whose shadow is there. It will be the image, it will be the figure of that boy or a girl, right? It will have hairs, nose, eyes, face like it. Right? So he is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And when the girl, you can find in the picture, when the girl is trying to jump into the bed, it jumps before the girl because the light is falling from behind, and that's why the shadow goes in front, right? Okay, so this is the first stanza. Let's move towards the second stanza. So now let us move towards next stanza. That is, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. In this stanza, what does the poet Robert Louis Stevenson wants to say? That the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. See, what's the funniest thing over here? Normally, how is your growing pattern? How do you grow? You grow gradually. You can't find your changes in a day or in a month. You can't see the changes in days. But here, not like you, the shadow grows just within seconds. It grows how taller like India rubber ball. It shoots up taller like India rubber ball. Do you know India rubber ball? It's a ball which can jump so high. When you put the ball on the ground, and it jumps suddenly very high, and it jumps again and again, and it bounces again and again and again. In this way, here the poet telling the funniest thing about the growing pattern of the shadow. It is not like a proper children. It is not like you grow very slow. You cannot find your changes in days or in minutes or in seconds. You don't grow. In months you can find a little bit change. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. For sometimes it shoots up like taller India rubber ball. It shoots up, it goes higher, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. And sometimes it gets so little that you will think there is no not. And here is the last stanza of the poem, that is third stanza is: one morning very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. See, the poet is telling about the shadow, and he was telling about one incident about that shadow. One morning, very early before the sun I was, there was no sun in the morning. He he woke up, the child, the poet woke up early in the morning. As there was no sun, there was no light. I rose and found the shining dew on every particle. Here, you, the poet, is enjoying the morning 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 scene of the flowers and the buttercup. What's there on that buttercup? There are shining dew, there are water droplets on the buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head. See here, poet is calling a shadow lazy. Why? Because every time it was with him, but today woke up very early and the shadow was not there with him or with her. That means that the shadow is not with him, and he calls it that it is errant. Errant means bad. Bad sleepyhead. It's sleepyhead. It's what do you call? It is not waking up early, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Had stayed at home behind me, he calls that it is staying at home, and for it is fast asleep in bed and enjoying the sleep. See here, funny things. It is describing.